Tanah Lot Temple in Bali is a spectacular temple built on 16th century which is constructed on the huge rock in the Indian Ocean. Tanah Lot Seaside Temple is famous for breathtaking sunset views. The name Tanah Lot typically means land in the sea. Tana means earth and Lot means sea. Due to time restrictions, we couldn't visit Tanah Lot during sunset time, but I still felt that the site was absolutely beautiful. Please take note that Tanah Lot Temple is accessible only when there is low tide. It is said that Tanah Lot looks like a floating temple in low tide. I will drop a website to check the current water tide timings under this video's description. The temple is open daily from 7 am to 7 pm. During 16th century, a priest called Dang Hyang Nirata visited Tanah Lot while his explorations. He felt wonderful seeing the beautiful rock and slept on it overnight. Upon waking up, he instructed local fishermen to erect a shrine. Non-Balinese people are not permitted to enter this temple. Please note that there are certain rules to be followed before you enter any Hindu temple premise in Bali and pay due respect as it is a holy place. Please wear a traditional Balinese outfit or wear a sarong or scarf which can be rented near the ticket counter. Take off your shoes before entering a temple. Never sit higher than the priest or the offerings as it is considered disrespectful. Menstruating women are not allowed to enter the temples. A person with open wound or injury should not enter a temple. There are many places in Bali to watch the spectacular sunsets, one of which is Uluwatu Temple. Please don't miss to watch Bali's sunset at Uluwatu Temple in my previous video. Link to the video is provided under this video's description or click on the iCard flashing on the screen. There are many snack shops and restaurants outside the temple for your souvenir shopping. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and activate the bell in order to get all the notifications.